Quazi here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own subliminals and in general how I make mine so that they are effective. Before I begin this video, I want to quickly announce that I'm doing a free giveaway of my book Life Mastery. If you want to enroll into a competition to win this book for completely free, just comment Life Mastery down below. And at the end of the week, we're going to be picking one lucky winner to get this book in the ebook format. And also, the one-to-one consult for the Reality Mastery program is now open. And just wait till the end of the video for the announcement on how you can sign up for that. So with that, let's get started with this video. Now, I know you've been asking for this for a very long time after one of my videos went viral on subliminals. So here I am making it. So how I actually make my subliminals for them to be effective. Now, just a disclaimer, I don't know how to do the supernatural, and I don't really focus on changing my facial features, but rather seeing that as the means to get to a point. Like, what is this helping me get to? Why do I need this, facial feature? Am I trying to be more attractive? So that's my goal. I'm trying to be more attractive, right? So this is a means to an end, and that's what my focus is. So I'm going to teach you to make subliminals in such a way that you can manifest your goals effortlessly. And this has been something that's been working for me, and I want to share it with you as well. So the goal of making subliminals and using subliminal messaging is to impress upon the subconscious and leave an impression on the subconscious, right? Now, this is going to be vastly different from your classical way of doing subliminals, and you'll see why. So the process is to first have all of your affirmations, to write down affirmations of your own. So what you want to do is have 4 areas of your life. So 4 areas of your life that you write down affirmations in. And you want to write down a total of 10 affirmations. And you want to have the 4 areas of your life are, you're going to have 2 affirmations, okay? So you're going to have 2 affirmations for health, 2 for wealth, 2 for relationships, and 4, you're going to have 4 for your character. Wow, it's going slanted. 4 for character. Okay, so why we do 4 for character is that it's really easy to shape the character. I'm not talking just physical features, but in your characteristics, like, I'm attractive, I'm confident, stuff of that nature, changing your personality traits to that of what you need to be. So this is the first step. First step, make your affirmations right now. So what you want to do is right now just pause this video and grab a sheet of paper, make 10 affirmations. Okay, just make 10 affirmations, make them really powerful and something that resounds with you. And make them in your own words. So my affirmations are, Quazi easily makes $100,000 monthly. He's in complete alignment with money and it flows to him like a moth to a flame. And I started using third-person affirmations because they resound with me more, but you could try first-person as well. I am this. I am making $100,000 monthly. I'm in complete alignment with money and it flows to me like a moth to a flame, blah, blah, blah. Something that resounds with you. So you could experiment with both the first person and the third person. So for right now, just try out the first person, see how it works out for you, because it did work for me until it didn't. But the third person has been really effective for me. So start out with the first person or even just pick the third person. Do whatever, pause this video, make the 10 affirmations right now. 2 for health, 2 for wealth, 2 for relationships, 2 for character. Next, what you want to do is make an audio recording. Okay? So grab your phone right now and just, maybe grab headphones, or if you have a mic, that's even better. And just sit down quietly in a quiet environment and record yourself saying these 10 affirmations in your phone. So do an audio recording of that. Doesn't matter, just make it as calm as possible. Just get as relaxed as you can before you do it, because this is something you're going to be listening to as you fall asleep. So audio recording. Finally, what you want to do is begin, syncing up audio to a music. So you want to find solfeggio frequencies. I don't know if you're familiar with solfeggio, but essentially at 417 hertz, this initiates change. And in the training video later that I'm going to do with this, I'll explain how to do this process. So find a solfeggio frequency of your choice. Download it from YouTube and then sync it up to your audio. Turn the volume down. Use Movie Maker, use Final Cut Pro, whatever it is to edit your subliminals, and then transfer it to your phone. So 4, transfer to phone. Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to make your own subliminals and how I make mine. Essentially, you first of all want to have your affirmations recorded, and also you want to have your music downloaded, your solfeggio frequency. Now, if you don't know how to do that, how you download your solfeggio frequency is, let's say you choose 417 hertz. You want to go to YouTube, let's say this is something that you want to use. You copy the link, go to YouTube to MP3, come down here, you can just paste that in there and convert it, and you'll be able to download it. Now, you want to get your affirmations and your music both in one folder on your desktop. Next, what you want to do is open your video editing software. So it may be Final Cut Pro, maybe iMovie, or it may be Movie Maker. So I'm going to use Final Cut Pro because that's what I use. Right. So then you want to drag both of these here. So you want to create a new library, drop it here, depending on what you use. And how I do it is, I've already done mine, as you can see. So I'm just going to drag my affirmations, right, new project, let's call it Untitled. Right, so you want to drag your affirmations first. Okay. And then you want to drag your healing music underneath it. Right, so you're going to see the trick is to really balance it out and know when to reduce the volume. So you're going to have to reduce the volume of your healing music by a lot. How you do that is you just drag this down until it's a comfortable volume to listen to when you're falling asleep. This is key. You want to just do it for 15 minutes until you fall asleep and put it on loop. Phase 3. Ignite. Quazi easily makes $20,000. Boom. So as you can see, this is a comfortable volume for me. And then you just hit the, make sure you trim it out here. So you want to come out here to the end, cut it out, boom. Also, you could fade it out at the end, and that's important because or else it just gets annoying. I don't know how to do that right now, but you could find out, you could just search it up how to fade it out at the end. Oh, actually, you could just do this. You hit here, cut it up, and then you just reduce the volume. And get quieter. It's a sharp fade, but you can do it in a much better way. I just quickly did it. So try this out, let me know how it goes. And just hit export once you're done. Export it to a master file. You want to make it into an MP3, audio only, and you want to hit the next. So I'm not going to be doing that because I'm already done with mine. And then you can just transfer it to your phone. There's an app called Cloud Music Player. And that's it. So now to give you a general guideline of how you want to use this, there's an app on the App Store called Cloud Player or Cloud App. I don't know. It looks something like this. This one. It's something like this. So you want to get this app, and it makes it really easy to transfer your audio recording to your phone. So once you've edited it and you've put it into an MP3, you want to transfer it to your phone. And before you fall asleep, you put a 15-minute timer on it. So I don't like to listen to it as I'm sleeping, because if there is no feeling behind it, there's no point. It needs the feeling to be authentic. So that is the gist of subliminal messaging. You want to get to that feeling state, and you want to do this consciously, the visualization. As you listen to the subliminals, you want to visualize yourself at your destination. So the subliminal and the frequencies are an aid for you to visualize and create that dream scenario. And you keep visualizing it up until you fall asleep. So you set a 15-minute timer on that app that you're going to be playing it from. And as you fall asleep, it takes around 7 to 15 minutes to really fall asleep, but it depends really. Put a 15-minute timer. As you fall asleep, you keep listening to them, visualizing your ideal scene, and then you fall asleep. This was very effective for me. This is the thing that caused change for me, and I want this to help you out as well. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this, and leave me a comment letting me know what you thought of this, and if you'd like to see more of this stuff where I'm talking about subliminals. I don't talk about them that much because I don't focus on that aspect of it, but let me know in the comments below. If you're new to the channel as well, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell there so you're notified of any new video that I put out. Also, I'm super excited to announce that I'm growing a massive Facebook group where I'll be sharing all of this kind of stuff. So make sure you take advantage of this opportunity. Click on the link below to join the Facebook group. Hope I see you there. Finally, if you're interested in the Reality Mastery Program and to use the powerful principle of the being and the becoming paradigm to transform your life, make sure you click on the link below to sign up for your free one-to-one consult. And we're going to be diagnosing whether or not we'd be a right fit to work together, how we can use identity shifting to help you get to the next level in your life. So make sure you sign up for that, and I hope I see you there. Thanks for watching. Till next time, peace.